Diamonds are a light bulb's best friend. Or maybe that's just something we say here at Color Cord Company. Protect your bulb and add some geometric style to your pendant lighting with our geometric bulb cage. This cage is easily attached to most bulb sockets and is held secure with 2 screws, which are included in your purchase. The geometric cage is compatible with our porcelain, basic, shade ready, and brass sockets. Our geometric bulb cage is available in 12 different colors and finishes, so don't hesitate to mix and match colors with multiple exposed bulbs. So whether it's a plug-in pendant or a DIY lighting fixture, our geometric cages will add some flair and originality to any space.